Welcome back, guys. In our previous lecture, we have talked about difference between trace files and archive logs. Okay, so let's talk about what are the types of trace files. Okay, so there are three types mainly. One is background trace files, user trace files, and incident trace files. So let's talk about all of these in detail. First, background trace files. So these are generated by background processes such as pmon, smon, dbwriter, and logwriter. LGWR is logwriter, dbwriter, smon, and pmon. Okay, so these files are generated by these background processes only, and these can be located in the trace directory of the automatic diagnostic repository. I'll tell you how to use this, or the traditional trace directory. You can define some trace directory or the path in ADR, or that's the default when you install Oracle. That can be located there. These provide diagnostic information about background processes activities. Like these background processes, it will provide all the information about these, what these are doing, logwriter doing, what dbwriter is doing. You can find everything in these files, background trace files. User trace files, these are created for specific user sessions. When SQL tracing is enabled for a session, I'll tell you how to enable this session. Okay, contain detailed execution statistics, wait events, execution paths for user queries. Like when you enable these, for a user session, it will tell you everything of what the user is doing and what is the execution plan of the scripts, what of the uh, scripts executed by a user. We can enable and disable both for user sessions. Third one is incident trace files. Okay, when a particular i- error, critical error gets created in or occurs in Oracle, or something happened in Oracle. So these files gets created at that time. And these provides detailed diagnostic information for specific incidents and are stored in the automatic diagnostic repository location. Okay. So that's all for this video types, and in our next video we'll be talking about location of trace files.